Mixpanel employs an event-based, user-centric model that tracks specific actions that users take within your product for a deeper understanding of your user engagement and to help you make product decisions. Mixpanel's data model is built on 3 key components: events, properties, and user profiles. Let's discuss each of these components in more detail. Essentially, anytime a user makes a meaningful action on your app or website, that action is captured in Mixpanel as an event. An event can be a wide range of actions. So in this example, a SaaS messaging company might track a user sending a message as an event. Or an e-commerce platform might track an action of adding items to cart or completing a purchase order as events. It's important to determine which user actions are important to collect and later analyze as events in Mixpanel. Properties are subcategories of a specific event. It describes the event or the user that performs the event. For example, the event send message can have properties such as message features, message length. Another example could be an e-commerce platform might track an add to cart event with event properties such as cart size, item names. Once tracked, event and event properties are immutable, which means they cannot be changed. A user profile is a collection of information about an individual user. Like events, user profiles have properties that describe the users. All users in Mixpanel are given a distinct ID, which helps identify the user to the events and behaviors that they perform. User profiles and user properties, unlike events, are mutable and constantly change according to the user's most current behavior or demographic state. For example, as I move around and travel, my time zone and location profile properties will update to the current location.